Hi guys, welcome back to the Print on Demand Secrets by the Print Haven. I am your coach Eniola, and in this video what I'm going to be taking you through is how to take very good HD images using your phone and also videos using your phone for your website. In the previous video we've already visited how to set up our hosting, how to set up our website. We've installed WordPress, and of course we've started building the website. But right now we need content for our website, and the content we require is from images to videos that we're going to put on our website. Now, you don't need to go and hire some type of videographer that's going to come in with a bunch of cameras and all of that for products. No, you can do this using your phone, or you can simply contact the Print Haven Studios and we can help you sort that out. All right guys, so that being said, right now what I'm going to be showing you how to do is how to take these pictures and videos using your mobile phone. So if you're going to step with me right into the studio, I'm just going to walk towards here right now. Now, as you can see on this table, what is right here is all the products that we're going to be putting up on the Billion Gadgets website, where we're going to be creating personalized gadgets for anyone who wishes to buy, right? So now we're just going to start by taking the picture of the way it is arranged, and definitely I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be carrying it through. I might not talk a lot while I'm actually performing the action, but just watch me closely and you'll be able to get what to do. All right guys, so this is me right here trying to take the pictures of all this stuff. The first type of pictures that we're going to be taking is the landscape view, right? The landscape view is basically the view that you're going to see in this mode. It means like when you put your phone in a horizontal pattern, that's landscape, something like this, right? Then the second set of pictures that we'll be taking will be the square version. The square is just so that you have a square, because in WooCommerce, which I'm going to be showing you how to install as you go through the course, you have a square image where you have to upload the images for your product. So you have to do each product as a square product, as a square picture rather. So that's number 2. Then number 3, we're going to be doing a full portrait like this. So full portrait meaning we're going to be turning the phone vertically, right? So number 1, number 2, number 3. So number 1 has to be this way because it's horizontal. Number 2 here, but I'm going to change the settings to square, and then number 3 is going to be the full portrait. Yes? So now let's jump in and let's begin. First, take one for the square. What we have to just do now, if you're using an iPhone, it's very easy. You change this from 16:9 to square, and as you can see, it turns that into a square. So now I'm just going to take the picture. Alright guys, so we've taken all the shots with the table set up this way, like all the products together. So we're going to be using this in the websites that we'll be building. Now that we've taken those shots, what's next is we'll now have to take each and every product individually, right? So let's just jump in and I'll start taking each and every product individually right now. Alright, so as you guys can see right here, we're trying to arrange it for it to look very good. I want it to come out real nice, so I'm trying to take my time to arrange it in a proper and very nice manner. Alright guys, so we are currently done from the studio, and as you can see here are a bunch of pictures that we've been able to take. We took a couple of them in the square format, we took a couple of them in the landscape format, and we also took a couple of them in the portrait format. So that being said, these are all the pictures, and it's time for us to hop into the computer once more and try and get get this ball rolling and try and get our e-commerce site on. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.